Hi there, this is Mehek, the founder of Mehek's Marketers, and today I'm going to share a very short 2 to 3 minute video explaining more about affiliate marketing, what it's all about, and giving you the truth, the facts, and telling you exactly how it is. So first of all, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is you as a person going out using someone else's product, using someone else's systems, coaching products, whatever it is, and you're promoting them. So you're going telling people about them, and when people buy and purchase these products or services or monthly memberships or whatever it may be, then you would get a commission for doing so. Affiliate marketing is one of the ways that most people who start to make money online actually start off, because there's many benefits to doing so. You just simply get a product off like ClickBank. You can even start promoting other people's products from their websites, and the websites are already there, so you don't need to learn HTML or make your own blogs or anything as such. You simply just use other people's work which is already done for you, use their websites and get the content out there so that you can start making money. You simply go online and you would search for a product that you like, that you maybe have an interest in, because it's always good to promote something that you already have a basic knowledge about, maybe something along the topics of making money online, childcare, health and fitness, dating. These are some of the major niches that most people target. So you would basically get the product, you would then go and shoot YouTube videos, you would start your own blog, go on social media networks and start just spreading the word, telling people about this fantastic new product that you have to offer, and then when they go to the website and they buy, then you would get commissions from it. So you can actually earn money pretty quickly by doing so. However, it's not quite as simple as it seems, because although you might be shooting videos on YouTube, there's actually methods. There's methods to go shoot your video, there's methods, strategies for Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, and this is something that most people, this is where they have the drawbacks. They fall back because they're not quite sure, they don't have the knowledge, and they don't know how to properly do the marketing to promote their products and earn their commission. So yeah, you might get $100 if you're lucky in commissions, but you're not going to get rich by doing so. Another drawback about affiliate marketing is that, well, basically you'll have other people's products, other people's brands, other people's websites that you're promoting. So you're not creating a stable foundation for yourself. Internet marketing is all about branding yourself. If you don't have a brand, then people won't remember you. So it doesn't matter if somebody was to go buy from your website or from my website. We're both promoting the exact same product, because there's nothing there showing the customers what is the difference of buying it from me as opposed to someone like yourself. Therefore, if you would like to learn more about learning how to do your marketing correctly, learning how you can start making money online from the basics onwards, even if you have no product, or maybe you do have a business or a product and you're just wondering, I'm not really getting anywhere, I've tried all these different platforms for getting the message out there, but I'm not getting any of your results. So if you feel like that, then go to the website below this video where you can find out more information. And this is not a get rich quick scheme. You're not going to be told to buy a business opportunity or anything of the sort. Simple coaching to help you one-to-one and deal with the issues that you have as a business or an internet marketer. So all you have to do is go to the website below this video, and I will see you there.